Anything going on with Oscar, like gait-wise or aches and pains that you've noticed? I mean, the horse is 20 to 22 years old.
Yeah, he does have a little arthritis in his front end.
Okay, so we're gonna look at the front end for sure, and we'll get started. Good, straight. Okay, nice. It's just like my tattoo. Look at this. You see? It's like what we're doing. Give it to me. Relax. Let me have it. Thank you. This is actually a stretch for a horse. But I'm going to adjust this bone right here. There we go. There we go. Okay. That's a workout for me. I don't know if you know, but I'm not as young as I used to be, so I feel that. I'm old like you. We're both seniors.